Here we see the trunks of trees, and on these trunks the bark has yellowish or greenish crusts, and these are lichens. Lichen is a double plant containing algae and fungi. It is a mutualism interaction between two organisms, and these are the pioneer communities in succession. Here we see a velvet type grass, and this is here on the soil called Selaginella, and it is a pteridophyte. Here we see the leaflets just like small pinus, and it's a pteridophyte, which are reptiles of the plant kingdom. Here we can have a close look on this vegetation. In Hindu mythology, Hanuman searched for this herb as Sanjivani for Bhagwan Ram's brother Lakshman, so that his wounds can be healed by this miracle plant. And in botany it is called Selaginella. Here on the banks of stream we see a pteridophyte, and it is a fern. It has big leaves called fronds. We can observe this leaf, and on its underside there are sori or groups of sporangia. It is a pteridophyte. Here we see on the underside of leaves there are dot like structures in pairs, and these are the sori, which contain groups of sporangia in which spores are stored for asexual reproduction, because spores are haploid. And on this concrete wall we see here the plants which are Funaria. These are its saprophytes. These are club like, and it is a bryophyte called Funaria. These are its saprophytes having capsule and a stalk. Here we see the gametophyte, which is green leafy in color. Of course it is a thallus with little differentiation into leaves, stem and roots, and the saprophyte rises on this gametophyte. This is Funaria, which is a bryophyte. It is also called a moss. See here the Saprophytes which arise from the gametophyte, which is green in color here, and it is photosynthetic green in color gametophyte, and Saprophyte is non-green and non-photosynthetic. It is a Bryophyte. Here two generations arise one on the another, and this is alternation of generation gametophyte to Saprophyte. So I have given the basic information about the kingdoms, which is Plantae and its divisions, and here in the last we see the moss, which is a Bryophyte with two generations, gametophyte and Saprophyte. Green is the gametophyte, and this reddish color capsule bearing club like structure is the Saprophyte. Thank you.